Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Fatty. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but guess what? It's gonna be a new year, but a new install. We're gonna be installing some Hella horns. Got the Grimspeed harness and an apparent bracket. That's pretty much all you need to do to install. It's gonna go here. First things first, we gotta remove this bumper. So we're gonna take off these clips. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and then 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so all the bolts are gone, clips are gone. All I gotta do is remove this top piece right here. And because I have a apparent radiator shroud, I gotta take this off too. Alright, so the shroud is gone, the clips are gone. Only thing left is to go underneath the car and remove the clips from the bumper. Yeah. There's one clip right there, near the tire. So it's 1, 2, and if you go down along the edge, there should be clips that you need to pull out. Stock bumper is gone. So underneath here, it's 1 bolt. Move that. That is a 12. That's where going to be the parent bracket is going to be mounted on there. And then we're going to move the factory horn, which is down here. Disconnect that, and we're going to use the Grimspeed wire for that. And there's only 1 bolt that's holding it in. This is right here. Alright, so these are the horns. From the factory, it comes with this nuts and this bracket. It's a bitch to get out. So all you gotta do is use your hand. Use your power. Oh! Just like that, it comes out. It's really easy, guys. Don't break your back doing it though. So you're gonna use these, put it in here, in this mounting hole, or this nut. It's gonna go like this. Bam! The only thing about these parent brackets is that you can only adjust it from up and down. So you can only adjust the height of it. You can't adjust the length. But it's all good. So don't tighten it up. Just loosen it up a little bit and then put it on the car and see how it fits. And then once you like where it sits, then you can tighten up these bolts. Alright, try it.
And you can hear how they're different.
Do it again. That battery's hard.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying, it's easy to tell.
The Hella horns onto the bracket. I'll put the lowest setting, which is all the way to the bottom. I think it looks really good that way. All you gotta do is light it in here. Make sure it lines up. Put your stock bolt back in, you should be all set. Alright, the horns are in. Just gotta test it out and see if it works. If not, then I gotta take it back out and switch out the polarity. See how it sounds. Alright, we're gonna be taking a break. Check out the cars. We got this. Ooh. Alright, the front bumper is back on. Horns are on. Again, has a nice touch. Alright guys, we are done with the video. Done with the install. Came out nice, hella loud. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more install. Till then, peace.